about done with this notch. I usually do a little bit of beveling at the bottom, just a teeny bit. And what the beveling at the bottom does is it allows air to get underneath. Just a little bit, you know. And a lot of the stuff we do in bushcraft, that's the difference between success and failure, is in almost imperceptible adjustments, right? So we'll see. So if I had a a bow drill ember, I'd have about twice the amount of time to fool around with this thing. But you just don't with a, you know, with a hand drill ember. You just got to get on it. I mean, you got to get on it. You got to get on it right away. It's a now kind of thing. And I've actually got a little bit of like chaga and chaga dust, we call it. This dust is a good coal extender, so I'm gonna add a little bit of that to my magic mix there. I love little bottles with stoppers. I just think they're the coolest things. And I actually got this online from somebody because I can't, you know, I'm gonna eventually, you know, I started being able to locate mushrooms and stuff in the woods where I go. But like chaga, I've never seen that before, and hopefully that's something that a skill that I'll acquire in the near future. All right, give this another round, you know. I just want to warm up my set. It's freezing cold again, you know, from what I did before. So just moving the drill. Get a little smoke now, just a little bit. Got a little emmer going. I can't believe I'm getting it this easy on a day that's been so damp and cold and dank and everything else you can imagine. Now I'm just tapping it to keep the coal from pulling away on the sides of this, like sticking to the sides of the notch. That's the main reason. Now my coal's going well. I got my little dust and kapok and then some oakum. Like that. So I like to do it, see, it keeps it all together in one thing. Then I want to insulate just a little bit. There we have it. That is pretty cool, huh? I mean, that's going. It's a